morning. The day has finally arrived. Let's go on an adventure. Made it through customs. Pretty sad time, but we're off for a big adventure. Right, we've made it to Hong Kong. It is currently 8:45 in the morning. I think it's about 2:45 back home, so we haven't really slept much. Our flight's delayed, so we've got another 2.5 hours to wait.
So we've come to duty free and we're gonna do a bit of shopping. So we're at our boarding gate now, just waiting for our flight because it has been delayed. Sipping on a juice that casually cost 85 rand. It's the size of my hand.
170 rand for 2 juices.
Yeah. And yeah, and there's a beautiful view. There's a 360 view of the mountains here at Hong Kong Airport. We attempted shopping in the duty free, but pretty tired.
Yeah, we're too tired to even look at things.
Right guys, so that's all we're going to show you in today's vlog. We've been awake for roughly 30 hours now, so we're gonna have a long nap, and then in tomorrow's vlog we'll be showing you around our apartment. So
yeah, so stay tuned for a little apartment tour. We'll also be going up to the pool and the gym to show off that a bit. But for now, we're going to get some much needed sleep.
Catch you guys in the next one.
Catch you guys
Cheers.
in the next one. Bye!